Say, man, what's up with it, baby? Raymond ACH, you already know what it is. Thank you so much to everybody who support the channel, whether it's trucking related or workout related. I really appreciate it. Hey, man, we in the gym with it. We've been in the gym. So I got a new mic. Let me know if it's good or bad or it's mid, but I feel like it's way better. I kind of tested it out. This is my first video back since, I think, like a week ago. So we back at it like a crack addict. You feel me? Feeling like a jackrabbit. I already got a pump. I've been going crazy hitting chest and triceps. But in this video, I just wanted to show y'all. Oh, and to all the newcomers, man, welcome back. Welcome to my channel, man. I really appreciate it. We're gonna be doing a lot of fitness stuff and some more weight loss, some more gains. You feel me? What do I eat throughout the day, day in the life? But that's to come. I'm gonna focus on posting one time a week, just because I feel like 2 times a week is. I try to rush it, and I feel like that's not quality work. So I'm gonna do 1 time a week, and obviously I do got a job, so that's my income, so I got to put that first before this. And this is just for fun, and this is like a hobby, and that's what I'm gonna take that as. But look, man, thank y'all so much for watching, and we're gonna go ahead and just target that inner chest, and yeah, just pump it out. So these are my 3 favorite workouts. That's what basically the title gonna be of this video. My 3 favorite chest workouts, and I kind of discovered one yesterday that made me feel comfortable, made me feel pumped immediately, and you don't even have to have a lot of weight. And yeah, so let's get to it. Let's go. All right, so I'm not gonna wear my headphone. Should I wear? Nah, we don't. We're gonna focus on y'all today. Today's y'all day. So we're gonna put our hands a little like usually you would come right here, measure it this way, but we're gonna go ahead and put the bar right in the middle. Put our 2 fingers like an inch apart. I don't know if you can see it right here, bro. Like basically like an inch apart from each other, and basically so it hit that inner chest to block it up. And that's our goal, man. It's to block off our chest, man. Look like we hogging lanes down 59, you feel me? But yeah, so we're gonna come right here, like an inch apart. We're on racket. Like I said, you don't need a lot of weight. So you come here and up. And make sure you use like mind and muscle connection. So when you do it, just focus on whatever muscle you're hitting. And you could pump them, or you could do it slow reps, whatever you feel comfortable with. So we're gonna go ahead and knock out 8. That's 1, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Racket. Nothing too crazy, man. Usually I could do, that's pretty lightweight, so I could do, I say like a solid 15 to 20, right? And just to feel that burn more faster. So if you want to get a crazy burn, just max out, do 30, do 15, whatever you can. And then after that, I guess just, you know what I'm saying, create your sets out of that. And yeah, so that's basically my first workout, or my first favorite chest workout. And so I'm gonna hit 2 more sets off camera, and then I'm gonna show y'all the next one here when I get into it. Damn. Say, man, so like this, like I said, this workout don't require, bro, no weight. It's just light. So every workout is basically mind and muscle connection, and you're targeting the muscle you actually want to target, and it's gonna get the job done regardless. You know what I'm saying? So that's one thing I like about it. And it also helps my shoulder, because if you don't know, I got in a motorcycle accident, and my boy just got done with the workout, so you see the camera shaking. My boy is pumped up, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, like I was saying, I did get in a motorcycle accident, so whenever I find some chest workouts that doesn't feel discomfort in my shoulder, I'm with it all the way. So this is another one. So you come right here, and you could probably and then so what I like to do is just to hit this top inner corner right here of the chest. I put the seat as low as it can, and I'm sitting as low as possible, really. Oh, there is it though? Okay, right there. As low as possible. Alright, so what I'm gonna do right here, I'm gonna basically throw it up at a 45-degree angle. Just target the inner chest. It's gonna look just like this. Like I said, you don't need a lot of weight. So it's gonna come here, come sit sideways, and pop. You can even feel it too. It's going crazy already. Boom. Boom. And then it's mad lights. We're gonna go ahead and put a 25 on there, and usually it feels comfortable doing it with 2 plates. So if you feel comfortable doing the 2 plates, whatever you feel comfortable with, and you're getting an actual rep in, is basically the best way to be. So yeah, man, just keep working at it, keep grinding. All right, y'all, so right here with this workout, I was doing it with one plate, but one plate's way too light. So I'm gonna do 8 reps of it. And what I like I said, it don't make me feel discomfort in my shoulder. So when I rotate my shoulder on like a bench press with heavy weight, my shoulder gets irritated. So what I like to do here, just this comes up like at a, I guess 45-degree angle, just all the way across my chest, just to hit this peak in the inside corner. So do it the way you feel comfortable with it. Don't have to be heavy, just as long as you feel that burning, that crazy pump. So you come here, pop it up, boom, 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 boom. That's 3, that's 4, that's 5, that's 6, 7, that's 8, that's 9, 10. So basically, I would go a lot slower, but I'm just trying to show y'all and not make this video long. So and then also when I do them fast, kind of gives me faster pump and I get done with the set faster. But also, what I was gonna say, I'm all discombobulated right now. I actually ran through a whole workout already, but I'm just, you know what? It's time to record. It's our first week back recording with this mic, so I hope y'all like the video. Continue to keep watching, and I appreciate it. All right, y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and do this next workout. I want to do this one. Sometimes I like to flare my elbows out. All right, y'all, so for these, I like to come out, up, out, up. These are pretty light, doing 65s. My chest is burnt out, so it feels crazy. But other than that, what I meant to show y'all for this inner workout, I like to keep these together and push straight up. Man, it's been a long day. I got to work out in the morning, then I got to work out in the afternoon. So, well, it's nighttime already. Gym's about to close, but we still working. Let's go. So with these, just gonna target the inner chest, and if you can pump them, pump them. If you wanna mind the muscle connection, squeeze, all that, you can. We're just gonna do what we can. You dig? I know that was like 4, but 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, so that one does not hurt my shoulder at all because I'm not doing no rotating. But like if I was to do a regular bench press with my elbows in, like kind of at an angle, it hurts. But when I flare my shoulders out, if I'm here, it hurts. If I'm here, it doesn't. So I could come here and pump these all night. So we could do a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got like 15 in us, but it's time to go. It's time to do this outro. I've been working out all day. Gotta work early in the morning. So yeah, one of my 3 favorite workouts. Sorry about that. Let's go. Alright, man, so we just walked out the gym. I'm feeling crazy. I don't know if I said this in the video or told my cousin off the video, but I got to work out this morning and I got to work out obviously right now, and it's 10:48. I don't know if y'all can see that. Oh, y'all can't see it, but it's 10:48. I feel great. I feel at my most best physically, spiritually, mentally. Physically, I feel my best, man. I haven't felt this good. I don't even think I've ever felt this good before. So I'm just very grateful, man. If y'all out there on a weight loss journey, or just working out for mental clarity, or just working out to get big, to work out to drop weight, whatever it is, man, I hope y'all continue to stay dedicated, continue to stay disciplined, because motivation ain't always gonna be there. So you need to be disciplined, man. Discipline is a major key in working out. I just want to make sure y'all can be able to see me good. I know the lighting is a little crazy. I got to use this. But look, man, go follow me on Instagram at RaymondHTX. I'll be posting kind of frequently on there. I'm trying to get more active on my Instagram and use it more, just because I know, I could probably motivate a few people. And I feel like since I've been posting my workouts, little things here and there, like what time I get up, what time I go to sleep and stuff like that, and wake right back up and hit the gym right, like over and over. It's like it became a lifestyle for me. I hope this don't cut on. But it became a lifestyle for me, you know what I mean? I wake up early in the morning. Sometimes I hit the gym at 5 o'clock. Sometimes I go in at 2 o'clock, you know, with my stepsister. So it's just sometimes I get one workout in a day. Sometimes I get two. You know, it all depends on what my day basically comes out to be. You know what I mean? I enjoy working out. I enjoy feeling the way I do. I feel a lot healthy. When I was trucking, if y'all sticking around, if y'all made it this far in the video, I really appreciate it. But when I was trucking, damn, see how hot my body heat is. But anyways, yeah, man, if y'all stuck around since I was trucking, say, man, my freaking knees are hurting when I walk for a while. My ankles are hurt. Like, I was like 278 at my heaviest. So, bro, I hated that. I hated that. I hated the way I felt. Hated the way I slept. Hated the way I woke up. I hated everything about being that heavy. And if you're heavier than that, well, I'm like 5'9", 5'10". I'm hyping myself up. But, you know, being at my height, I want to be a lot slimmer, a lot more ripped. You know what I mean? So that's the physique I'm going for. I'm kind of going for like a classic look. You know what I'm saying? And that's basically what I want. You know, that's my ultimate goal, is just to look, you know, thick legs to match big chest, big arms, and, you know, just to look well-rounded. You know what I mean? But I think I'm just going on a rant, and I need to get some sleep. I'm hungry. I might just take a power core, or a lean mass, or whatever kind of protein shake, because I don't like to eat late nights. But yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Y'all remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. I really appreciate it, man, for everybody showing love. You know, even if it's for the trucking videos or the workout videos, I really appreciate it both, just because y'all coming to check out the channel. And, you know, the more people come view my channel and tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, is the more I can grow, you know what I mean, little by little. But like I said earlier in this video, I want to start posting one time a week, but with quality content. And this video is pretty good. I mean, I hope it does pretty good, and I hope a lot of people tune into it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go home, man, because I'm tired. I gotta shower, get ready for work tomorrow. So might be up here, and maybe, well, I gotta sleep my 8 hours. So what, I'm gonna go to sleep like around 12. Well, I'm gonna sleep like 6, honestly, but the more rest, the better. But the weekend's coming, so we get time to sleep. But yeah, man, y'all have a great and blessed day. Y'all get up, get to it, man. Stay dedicated, stay disciplined, and whatever goal y'all have, man, y'all can achieve them. Y'all gotta just believe in yourself that you can accomplish it. Once you got that locked in, nothing or no one can defeat you. You know what I'm saying? I'm all discombobulated. But y'all have a great day. Y'all have a great night. Whatever time y'all watching this, good morning, good night. Eat healthy and get right. Come on, baby. Turn up.
Pull up to the farm, feel like Jordan, I be storm. He the one, but still ain't forcing. Tryna put off in them Porsches. Ain't no Porsches. Give me no fortune. Ain't about the fame.